atani Nanya na this video, nanya na this video. Picture onye iPhone na this video. One na pigwa na atani. O tega no 1 week, 2 weeks na apia igwe na agbu egbo na atani. Iwale wawa. Asi mo onye kwuo nke ikulu kwakwa ọzọ ka ọ na-ewu. Onye kwuo nke ikulu nanya ife ya eme ụwa niile amalụ na inwe the grace of God in you bro. Na ya eti aka ya agbaka aka na kpalo. Achọrọ m ịnwa ndị na-akpa dị ala, achọrọ m ịnwa. Whether m ibe na-akọ onwere atom ka onwere ballistic, even mma na my joy bụ na a na-apịa gị nya bụ igwe, ịma na-ata nni. A na-akụ ụdatị mkpọrọ, ịma na-ata nni n'ọnya wụ my joy. Onwere ibe dị ka nwoke kwulu, ọkwulu ka nwoke kwulu ka odogwu. Ikwulu si na ya zo odogwu zo odogwu. No matter iwe ọwụ na mmadụ mee gị ka ịkwụsị izo odogwu, isi ya mbakwa na odogwu ka ya aza. Ikwete n'iwe, ikwete sie ike, kwudosie ike. Kwudosie ike, onya nwa u followership. Kwudosie ike na nya bụ iwe. Isi na ọpata na ka ya na-eme, na ọpata na anụ ka ya na-eme, na ọpata na amagharị arụ, na ọpata na aka Chukwu ji gọzie. Nwanne m, kwudosie ike merie. Oh my joy. Ana apia igwe na apia ka ama ya apia tu ka ama ya change your mind ka ivu yali ọnọdụ eju ikwechiri imana nya odi nnọọ the more a na-ekwu the more ị na-put more power, more energy in the thing. Onya na-atọ m ụtọ. I like to see men acting like men. Ikwulu imalu na iwekwu na okwu kwudosiri ike. And I want to tell you, you followers of Ebuka Obi Zion. Gent. Obu no dogu, awu Ebuka Obi kwulu, kwulu no. O kwulu no. I don't believe in all this social media blanter. What I believe in, onya na agwa kedu ive ọ na-eme yali alụ. Ọ chọrọ iche nji aka ka ọ kwudosiri ike kwechili. Kwechili. They cannot come and change your perspective. They cannot just come when they know you have made it. We have known the journey is now soft. Uza wago. Udobu adigo. We give adivago mma. But that time you are suffering, they will not come to give you advice. When you are suffering and building it, nobody, you can never see one single person giving you advice. Na many like this, no yaba. Yarafia. Oi tagida alfu sugide ososo sugide. Pieta. Look at an empire. Build yourself. Build. All these yavaki lute go when you will enjoy the blessings of God. Iji aka iweta ofu so we build ha bia nyewe advice. So many people apụtaba nyewe advice. There are so many ways to convert souls for Christ. If you are a true Christian, that way be pleasant to you. That way you feel no but the best. That method, when they follow that method, convert souls for Christ. Christians are not known for fighting wars, media wars. Even to work when you would atomotano mochika corn nekili, come macanelli. Manya na amacanelli man, come macanelli more ye matuta. Ivana kabasa diale. A kocha ivako kocha after the following day, mekwen kekanke. Over the as no stubbornness. In a we are stubbornness, are you his, as in Ibu his spirit, or give an direct Ibu his leader? Or give is he under you? Somebody that is not under you. Then why will you say that that person is proving stubborn to you? Etu anọ kito onwere onye nọ under organisi onwe m ka mbo. Ipụta isi na nne prove stubborn. To who? Munga woga, munga CEO, wulo director, wulo everything. Oga even in a woga, offices ni na wo, leadership office ni na wo mo occupy nya. Mune ma appointment, muna saki, mune eti, onyen choli iti etim. E putasim nan stubborn. Stubborn to who? If you want to follow me, follow my pattern. If you want to follow me, follow my method. If you believe in me, believe in my method. Because that my method I work for me, I will not be successful for you to see me and believe in me. And that is why I'm happy. I am very happy for the young man. And I'm now watching you and let me see. Now we can walk now this side. The young man we can change yaliaka. But I am happy. Nakana abu anya bebo malonolo na atani. Ana abu ebo na telo realistic. Ana abu ebo see uchimo. Where is my car key? Kedi woji wabulunne. Iwoji bulunne uno mo ebo neje. When you are following somebody, when you are following a leader mo ebo neje. So we don't look back. Don't look back. And with so many methods of converting souls to God. Somebody like me. And with so many methods in general people like. And when we come and mention monetary cash. Decide you no advice can mean. And that advice in the greater than any money anybody can give you. Because only you go agwara iki yesi we spend that money judiciously. Ko we metampolo onye ave enwebi yo meligi. You need to be cultured. Akuzieli na ana powerful. Ana rom ana apu mkpologo na ajo ofia before abulo odogwu. And the only one abugolo mkpologo na ajo ofia cannot just take advice from you. The person cannot just be lenient. The person you are stubborn. For you to know, no one will leave all banuso we lute bono. You cannot just say putonyo no lo onwe. Awu na Ebuka Obi awro no na ministry. No company ka obiudu. Ino kata ikunyera ijekwulu Dangote. Si a Dangote. Anya like rakwa no fuel price ya iti. Wepie since you are a Muslim. Cut 1 to 500. Iyara go dogwu iwe oyemme. Iwe sorry aka oyemme. If you want to follow him and you believe in him, follow him. If you don't want to follow him, megini, go your way. It is as simple as that. It is only the Nigerian Catholic Church that will be against Ebuka. Mana Ebuka mala na Catholic Church was lumba ni no. Onwe Catholic Church iche. If you call yourself a Catholic, you become a Catholic. Who can know be? Isin Igbo a Catholic, you know the doctrines of the Roman Catholic Church. You know the canon law, the law the Catholic Church. Obey the law, obey the practices. Do your thing. Oburambu ijelo no ka. Nolo bu na iwe Catholic. You are a Catholic because you are practicing the doctrine of the Roman Catholic Church. In a rosary. I was very happy na mbose Ash Wednesday no bulunto. Buluku e we bia ekpele. Kunu makwa na yes. In as much as now a spiritual director of a ministry. Odisia kaya stubborn, onye nka stubborn. Onwele any spiritual director of a ministry na adiro stubborn. We know stories. If you start listening to anything and you go online, advice, you start behaving like an abnormal human being. That is not how it is meant to be. Yes. Do your thing your own way. Stand on your ground. Nobody should come and write your basic foundation. If you have been doing it this way, God and Anna Tito, for what you have been doing, do it the way. Mother brought Chuku more Cassia Cassioe Jackie Abilino Mue. And where is Simbi don't call you and when sing Jadabe? Highest Vayoku was an Akugomogo. Man, only Akumogo for me to say the truth. A two anoka you cannot. Each of you put your arm called the limb. Memory is woike. Ekukata wa warrior. Many people are after go. What we do not see online, we started seeing it. Now, so many things, many priests of the Roman Catholic Church, man, the pastor, Mandi, the religious people, many things me. Obu na true no in the doctrine of the Christian faith to attack your fellow Christian in the media. Etem nenwe kan Christian Association of Nigeria. Una nare jena kanu report what you find it out more dejel kan letter. Kan awe dejel Zion ministry letter. Manya uloze na Zion azaraza. Man, everybody will want to rush out to enter into the media. Abasia into the media avo. Keje go si onwe. For the welu idea when I build their page. But I want to tell you, media is power. That your ministry feeling on a grow. One nebanya ni ruwa. Give it time. It will grow. Mbo grows. This year Zion ministry. Mo wagote tu. Imama anyhow person for tanya advice ye take. And when he was on a senawuro, come and be under the bishop. Come and be under the bishop. Come and be under the bishop. And when you go batana main account to ministry, bishop amafta bia kwechiri no ni rubuluzo. Onya ka agu jiwana agu so many numbers of reverend sisters in the Roman Catholic Church, and you people can't fix them up. You can't even take care of your reverend sisters. Manunu na-enwe ego na alụgasị upstairs na alụgasị ụnụ ụka dịcha akụtu osisi kụkpọ side a mee nka chukwu akwụkwọ nsọ wee gwa iwu sị na chi anya adala eli nni iwe ọ na-eli wa bụ otuto ọ sị that when two or more are gathered in my name I will answer. Ọ matter of how many mansion unu lụrụ kpọọ onye ụnụ ụka. It is matter of the faith of the people that are praising God in that particular spot. Their faith to move mountain. Many reverend sisters na agayali bende ogalanya na ayoyali ego mana the Catholic Church nwele ego. Una rafi iwe na akpa unu. Jeje pawi iwe ozo. Can the Catholic Church stand up now and go to choosing na choosing na nya likely even because na Ebuka identify ego himself as a Catholic. Unu we chosia, unu we feel ye unu ya unu ya bayratara nwe. Kunu biasia na his ministry. Obido from foundation where build over to this spec. Kunu biazia control what he does. Kunu biazia gwabazia what to do. Kunu biazia instruct we enye chozio nye kunu palo. Onweze go bata na ministry ke kenyi ntotere kunu polo ofuzo ma uzo na abo. Kedu nke egbugole egbu kunu bia gbutof. Rani aka onwere onye kwu mo gwa even na-ekwu. You cannot go to Dangote because now we're Muslim. Or you go to eBay to cement, or you go to LP, see an always Christian, nya menye tu. Zion Minister Empire Ebuka Obi. He started it, he built it. You cannot just walk in and come and tell him what to do. And that is why I advise my people. Keep on doing it. My advice gide ye kwusi ambosa aga ubidolu mo mbosa odeda ibidolu nwere kwa onye yafu Igwe Credo gwa ya. Keep on doing it. Thank you so much.